Are you looking for a cold welding machine? In this video, I will show you the 5 best cold welding machine based on my personal opinion and hours of research. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. The 5th product on the list is the Welder TIG 250P AC/DC. The TIG 250P AC/DC TIG welder with pulse features the versatility to suit the needs of hobbyists and professional welders, especially for welding aluminum with AC/TIG and pulsed AC/TIG modes. This is a 250A welder that requires accessories like electrode positioning system, arc voltage control, oscillator, seam tracking device, feed wire mechanism, etc. This welder is used in both semi-automatic and automatic versions of welding. The materials used in the tungsten rod are argon and filler wire. Argon is used as the shielding gas. The 4th product on the list is the Mophorn MIG 270. Multifunction 3-in-1 MIG/TIG/MMA professional combo welder, capable of welding up to alloy, mild steel, weld steel, stainless steel, copper and cast iron. It can work well with solid wire and flux cord wire. It also has the TIG torch and stick function, could weld steel and stainless steel smoothly and perfectly. Integrated wire feeder ensures smooth wire feed, adjustable welding voltage and current. Dual voltage input, 110V or 220V. Voltage compensation function to deal with fluctuative power network. The 3rd product on the list is the Anili 220V CT520 DPL. This welding machine is suitable for ordinary thin steel, iron, stainless steel, low carbon steel, mold repair, and etc. Not suitable for welding aluminum. The color of stainless steel welding bead is silver white in cold welding mode. PS, need pure argon gas. The 2nd product on the list is the Tosense 520 TSCPF. 5-200 amp DC TIG electric current output, quality TIG welding on stainless or steel, and precise welding on thinner gauge materials. In addition, a new pulse function has been added to make the welding process more stable and to create more beautiful weld shapes. Easy arc start, stable welding arc, deep weld pool and beautiful welding shape. Suitable for welding different acid and basic welding rod size from 1.6 mm to 4.0 mm. Multi-process machine, TIG torch, PT31 plasma cutter torch, electrode holder, ground clamp and consumables, air pressure gauge and argon meter, etc. The 1st product on the list is the Anili TIG 250 MPL. It is suitable for welding thin stainless steel, carbon steel, and other materials. The welding temperature is relatively low, and it will not deform or change color after welding, and it has a high aesthetics. Using the pulse function, the welding current will continuously drop from high current to low current, and then return automatically. Welding thin metal and high thermal conductivity metal will not burn through. Cold welding, argon arc welding, pulse welding and dual voltage welding machines are powerful assistants in welding, with stable performance and reliable quality. Thanks for watching this video. Please leave a like if this helped you out, and if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Subscribe for more content, and I hope to see you next time.